All right, here we are at the Orchestra in the southwest part of Bakersfield, and today I'm actually going to do a very detailed tour throughout the home. It's going to be slower than most of my other videos. I've had a few requests for people to go a little bit slower. So this is the Orchestra, and it is 3,278 square foot, 5-bedroom, 3-bath. As you can see, it's pretty much a modern type of farmhouse. Has this nice covered patio. Do like a bistro set there. And then as you come to the entrance here.
Front door open.
So this is the foyer. Looks like it has the 10-foot ceilings. And then off to the right, you're going to have a full bedroom over here, full bathroom here, and a coat closet here. So we'll show you the coat closet first. All your winter clothes there, your vacuums, all that good stuff. Then you have a full shower here. And it has all the 5-panel doors throughout, so it gives it nice, good character. Quartz with a top mount sink, shaker cabinets. And then I tell people I love that this has a low curb and it's insert, so you don't have all those grout lines and all that stuff, but then it's very easy to access the shower because you don't have that big tub that's kind of hard to get over if you have hip or knee issues. And then you go over here, you have this bedroom off the front, so you got the patio there, and you got these closets that match the doors. Alright, so this is at the lower level of the home, and it would be great for a teenager, great for an older person that doesn't need to go upstairs, up and down stairs. And then you go here, and you have another generous sized closet. This one is really big, it's under the stairwell. Got your staircase here. You have a very good sized living room with these massive windows that brings in that natural light. And what's cool is you got that natural light coming in, but then you also have a covered patio that's integrated into the home. And this is Lennar Builder. So your home is built by Lennar, a very well-known builder across the nation. And pretty much what you see is what you get. They don't make any changes to the home. They pretty much keep everything exactly what you see. This is a door to the garage, but look at how amazing this kitchen is. This is a massive island. It's almost like a double island. So you got all this is cabinets. So every single door here is storage. And then again, it has the quartz counters, Frigidaire appliances throughout. And what I love about this is you got all these windows here that bring all that natural light coming in. And look how big this is. And this huge island. And again, there's storage all the way through this here. And if you're in the kitchen, you can be in the mix with everything that's happening. Got your formal dining room there. It has those nice big windows allowing a lot of natural light in. And over here, so many things that you could do here. I had a client say they want to put a desk here, make it a little area where you can pay your bills and stuff like that. And then over here you have this huge pantry for all your back stock. And you can also do like a wet bar here, maybe a coffee station, keep it off the counter so you have it all tucked over there. But look how amazing this is. I'll do a quick little spin. And then shaker cabinets throughout. And you got that big pantry over here, so you have probably, I mean, tons. I mean, basically you have a whole pantry under your island here. And it's got these nice 8-foot sliding doors, covered patio to keep the sun off the family. So let's go upstairs. Here, it's massive. This is an oversized couch, but this. Great light coming in there, but this is a massive area here. And then you got this huge laundry room. Again, more storage. This house has tons of storage. You got your laundry area here, but then you have this area here tucked away where you can put all your Christmas stuff, holiday equipment, maybe snowboard, all that good stuff. And then there's the stairs right there. There's the primary room. We'll go to that last. You got a full bathroom here, quartz, full bathroom here. What's cool is you got the doors, you can close it up so someone could be using the sink and someone could be taking a shower, so that's nice. Let's go to the front bedroom here. Closet there. Then you get a view of the outside from here. Another bedroom over here. This one has a walk-in closet. All right, now let's check out the primary. And again, this is a huge, I'm talking huge primary bedroom, because this is a king bed. It's got a couch, and this overlooks the backyard. But let's take you on a little 360. Let's go over here. Got your full-size shower there, combo. This one is tile, but it has a little curve. It's great. Little area here. You can do a little vanity, makeup station. Then another. I mean, this thing is massive. It matches the primary room itself. So I would say this is like 12 feet by 8 or 10. It's huge. All right, you got the toilet here. All right, hopefully you guys like that tour. This one was a little bit longer than normal, but I wanted to give the viewers a full perspective of this home so you can get an idea of exactly how big it is and how beautiful this home is, and didn't want to leave any details out. So if you like this, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. If you want to see stuff that happens daily, look at my Instagram and Facebook under Skate Agent. Love to have you look at those as well for stuff that's happening daily. If you want to see community tours, home tours, this is the place to be. I'm going to start doing a lot more detailed type of tours because it seems like people are really liking that. So if you like that, give me some feedback. Let me know what neighborhoods you want to do. On to the next video.